Have you ever wondered why some people seem to effortlessly attract their desires while others struggle to manifest even the smallest of goals? The answer lies in the way we align our thoughts, feelings, and actions with the energy of what we want to attract. Manifestation isn't just wishful thinking. It's a process of focused intention and belief. Let's explore a powerful method to help you manifest your dreams faster and more effectively. Clarity is the cornerstone of manifestation. Without a clear picture of what you desire, the universe can't deliver it to you. Start by taking time to truly understand what you want. Whether it's success, love, or health, your desires need to be specific and well-defined. And imagine, without using the term explicitly, breaking down your goals into actionable details. Instead of saying, "I want more money," define how much you want and what you'll use it for. The more vivid your vision, the easier it becomes to channel your energy toward it. Writing down your desires can also make a huge difference. When you put your goals on paper, they feel more tangible. This act of recording your dreams serves as a contract with yourself and the universe, signaling your commitment to achieving them. Visualize your dreams daily. Close your eyes and imagine living the life you desire, feeling the emotions tied to your success. This practice not only keeps you motivated, but also aligns your energy with your goals. Manifestation is deeply tied to energy. To attract what you want, you must vibrate at the same frequency as your desires. And this means cultivating a positive and abundant mindset while releasing any doubts or fears that may hold you back. Start by examining your thoughts and feelings. Are they supportive of your goals, or do they lean toward negativity? If you find yourself doubting your ability to succeed, counteract those thoughts with affirmations like, "I am capable of achieving anything I desire." Gratitude is another powerful tool for aligning your energy. By focusing on the things you're already grateful for, you create a sense of abundance in your life. This energy naturally attracts more of what you want. Your actions also play a critical role in alignment. Even small steps toward your goals can create a ripple effect, signaling to the universe that you're serious about manifesting your desires. Consistency is often overlooked in the manifestation process, yet it's vital for success. Your beliefs, thoughts, and actions must remain steady even when progress seems slow. Manifestation isn't just about one big effort, it's about building momentum over time. Develop daily rituals that keep you connected to your goals. This could be a morning affirmation practice, journaling, or meditation focused on your desires. These habits create a routine that reinforces your commitment to manifesting. Consistency also involves maintaining a positive attitude, even in the face of challenges. When obstacles arise, remind yourself that setbacks are temporary and that your goals are worth pursuing. Trust the process. The universe often works in ways we don't immediately understand, but maintaining faith in the journey ensures you stay on the right path. One of the most challenging yet crucial aspects of manifestation is letting go of attachment to the outcome. While it's important to have clear goals, holding on too tightly can create resistance, blocking your desires from coming to fruition. Attachment often stems from fear that your desires won't manifest or that you'll fail. Recognize these feelings and consciously choose to release them. Trust that the universe knows the best way to bring your dreams to life. To release attachment, focus on the process rather than the result. Celebrate small wins and acknowledge the progress you're making. This keeps you motivated without fixating on the final outcome. Letting go doesn't mean giving up. It means creating space for the universe to work its magic. Trust that what you're seeking is already on its way to you. Belief is the foundation of all manifestation. If you don't believe in your ability to achieve your desires, you're essentially blocking them from coming into your life. Cultivating strong belief requires a combination of faith in yourself and trust in the universe. Start by affirming your worthiness. Many people struggle with self-doubt, believing they don't deserve what they're asking for. Replace these limiting beliefs with empowering statements like, "I am deserving of all the good things life has to offer." The more you surround yourself with belief, the stronger your faith in your dreams will become. Belief isn't about blind optimism. It's about confidently expecting the best while taking the necessary steps toward your goals. Manifestation is not always immediate. Often the universe works on its own timeline, which may not match your expectations. Trusting in divine timing is a crucial aspect of the manifestation process, as it allows you to relinquish control and believe that everything is unfolding for your highest good. One of the hardest parts of manifestation is waiting. It can be easy to feel discouraged when your desires haven't shown up as quickly as you hoped. But recall that just because you can't see the results immediately doesn't mean they aren't on their way. Patience is key. Divine timing means that everything is happening exactly when it's meant to. Sometimes things need to align in your life before your desires can manifest. For example, you might need to develop more skills, build more confidence, or even go through a learning experience before your goal becomes achievable. When you trust in the process, it creates an energetic flow that makes it easier for your desires to manifest. Trusting in divine timing is about releasing any resistance to how or when your desires will come to fruition. The universe is always at work behind the scenes, arranging the best possible outcome for you. While focusing on your desires is important, it's equally crucial to practice detachment from the outcome. When you're too attached to a specific result, it can create resistance and block the manifestation process. Detachment means trusting that the universe will deliver what's best for you, even if it doesn't look exactly how you envisioned. Letting go of attachment doesn't mean you stop caring about your desires. Instead, it means you stop obsessing over when or how they'll arrive. This allows you to remain open to unexpected opportunities and paths that could lead to your desired outcome. Many people fear that if they don't stay focused on the outcome, they'll somehow lose their chance at manifesting their goals. But detachment actually allows you to attract what's best for you. It creates space for your desires to manifest in ways that are even better than you imagined. The process of detachment requires trust and surrender. It's about letting go of control and believing that the universe has your best interest at heart. Detachment from the outcome doesn't diminish your efforts. It amplifies them by allowing the universe to work its magic. Manifestation is not just about thinking and visualizing. It also requires taking inspired action. The universe will provide opportunities, but you have to be willing to act when they appear. Inspired action is different from forced action. It's the kind of action that feels aligned with your desires and flows naturally. When you are manifesting something, pay attention to the signs and nudges that you receive. These may come in the form of ideas, synchronicities, or gut feelings. If you feel called to take a specific step toward your goal, do so. Taking inspired action builds momentum and shows the universe that you are serious about your desires. Inspired action might feel different from your usual routines, and that's okay. It can take the form of starting a new project, connecting with a certain person, or even researching something that aligns with your goal. When you're open to inspiration, you allow the universe to direct you toward the right path. Inspired action doesn't require perfection. It just requires movement. You don't need to know every step, but moving forward with confidence and trust in your intuition will guide you closer to your desires. One of the most powerful tools in manifestation is the consistent practice of affirmations. Affirmations are statements that reflect the reality you wish to create, and when repeated daily, they help shift your mindset to one of abundance and possibility. Affirmations help rewire your brain to support your desires, aligning your thoughts with the energy of your goals. Start your day with affirmations that resonate with your dreams. For example, you could say, "I am worthy of all my desires and I am attracting them now." The more you repeat these statements, the more they will begin to shape your reality. Make sure your affirmations are in the present tense to reinforce the belief that your desires are already in motion. Alongside affirmations, incorporating a daily gratitude practice can magnify the manifestation process. Gratitude is a powerful vibration that tells the universe you are thankful for what you already have, which opens the door for more abundance to flow in. Begin by listing 3 things you're grateful for each day, no matter how small. As you practice affirmations and gratitude, you cultivate a mindset of abundance and appreciation, which are essential for manifesting your desires. This practice also keeps you grounded and focused, ensuring that you remain in alignment with your highest goals. Limiting beliefs are subconscious thoughts that hold us back from achieving our fullest potential. These beliefs are often rooted in fear, self-doubt, or past experiences, and they create energetic blocks that prevent us from manifesting our desires. If you want to manifest anything faster, you must confront and release these beliefs. Start by identifying the limiting beliefs that may be holding you back. These could be thoughts like, "I don't deserve success," "money is hard to come by," or "I'm not good enough to achieve my dreams." Once you recognize these beliefs, you can begin to replace them with empowering thoughts that support your goals. The process of releasing limiting beliefs involves awareness and reprogramming. When a negative thought arises, challenge it by questioning its validity. Replace it with an affirmation or belief that aligns with your desires. For example, replace "I can't do this" with "I am fully capable of achieving my goals." Releasing limiting beliefs creates space for new, empowering thoughts that support your manifestation journey. The more you let go of these outdated beliefs, the easier it becomes to align with your desires and manifest them faster. Manifesting your desires is an ongoing journey of alignment, trust, and inspired action. By following these steps, clarifying your vision, trusting divine timing, practicing detachment, taking inspired action, and using affirmations, you can accelerate your manifestation process and bring your dreams to life faster than you ever thought possible. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more tips on manifesting your dream life. Keep believing, stay aligned, and recall that the universe is always working in your favor.